Hello and welcome to PCI Tech TV. In today's Tech TV episode, we will provide you an overview of PCI's new, fast, and accurate high-quality ortho mosaic capability that uses an innovative 2.5D hybrid digital surface model editing technique that allows instant ortho preview on the fly. This new technology has recently been released in GXL 2013. The project we'll be working with includes imagery of Quebec City collected at 10 cm resolution. Let's start by opening the DSM so we can make edits and improve the end quality of our orthos. Here's the DSM of 18 images over Quebec City, and these 18 images have 60% forward overlap and 30% side overlap, which have been used by GXL to create the digital surface model. The next thing I'd like to do is show a quick example of some larger buildings. So here we have a more industrial building. This looks like an office building, and you can see that there's quite a bit of distortion along the edge of the roof line, and if we zoom in at 1:1 resolution, you'll see some of the issues here with this data set, and this is basically caused by the digital surface model. When I switch to the DSM, you'll see that we have some trees along the back of this office building here, and also some shadow areas that are creating all of these problems. And in general, what we want to do is remove this this elevation from the digital surface model so that we can have a nice looking ortho. So I'm going to once again create my polygon layer. I'm going to define an area that I want to remove. So I'm just going to do one of the buildings so you can see the difference between the two. So I'm going to click around this building here. Then I will choose my terrain filter. I'm going to increase the search radius to 200 pixels because this is a larger building. And I'm going to make the gradient a little bit more aggressive. I'm going to drop it down to 10%. And I'm going to apply that. So you'll see that just with a click of a button here, we were able to remove that very quickly. Now I can go back to my high resolution ortho and keep an eye on these two buildings. So you'll see here that we have some distortion. That's going to stay the same, but on this building we'll see some nice changes because we've removed the elevation. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh that. So that's giving us a one-to-one preview of the building on the resulting ortho mosaic. So if I use my toggle tool, you'll see that the ground doesn't move between the two images, and also you'll note that the building has nice straight lines now. I'm going to do the same thing to the other building. I'm going to click my polygon. I'll just put a larger area here. And I'm going to apply the same filter. There we go. And I'm going to come back to my preview and load that up. And there you have it. Our buildings are nice and straight, and we have a much nicer looking ortho product.